we have the price here, $59,654 as of right now. Block height 955,953, and we have almost an exahash, 989 exahash, sorry, almost a zettahash, and a market cap of 1.2 trillion. We have 89 new in-person businesses in the last 7 days accepting Bitcoin, and 423 in the last 30 days. So we can see here the implied volatility has gone up 2.7% in the last 7 days. We have some volatility happening here in Bitcoin with a low, 7-day low of 58,000 and a 7-day high of 64,000. The Bitcoin market cap is 1.2 trillion. As I said, it is the 17th biggest asset in the world underneath SK Hynix, which I actually had to look up pre-show. It's a South Korean semiconductor manufacturer, and Eli Lilly, which is a pharmaceutical. And if it was as big as gold, Bitcoin would be worth, one single Bitcoin would be worth 1.4 million. Do you think it's possible? Personally, I do. The block subsidy remains at the current epoch, or the current era, of 3.125. The mempool fee over the last 5 blocks is 3.2 sats. So we have a little bit of movement happening in the last little while here. You can get yourself 1,676 sats per dollar. The buying is good. The exchanging is good. We have a difficulty adjustment period so far, increasing by 0.89. We still have a lot of left to go here until the next epoch. We're only 18% through. And we have 23,795 nodes up and running, with 665 new ones in the last day. This will, we also are keeping track of the BIP 110 nodes, which account for 8.93% of reachable nodes. So there's a lot more unreachable nodes. These are just the listening and reachable nodes over ClearNet. And this updates every single day. So we'll actually next week be able to see sort of a 7-day change from there on out. The BIP 110 signaling miners have only mined 2 out of the 370 blocks that have happened this epoch, and they are at a 0.54% of the network. This here is the market sentiment. I think this is this website that I built here, the HODL report, really gives all the information that I possibly wanted, right? I do things for myself with this channel. I research things that I'm interested in, and I build things that I want to use. And this market sentiment is 2 of the most important charts, in my opinion, for recognizing the only thing that should really matter that much to a hodler, which is when is the most opportune time to buy Bitcoin? When can I get the best historical prices for Bitcoin? So the first index here we have is the fear and greed, and you can see that we are at extreme fear. We are at 12, and over the last 90 days, the high was 50, the low was 8. So we are very close to a low here, even though Bitcoin, in my opinion, has never been better. So this is indicating that it's a good time to buy. This chart here is the 4-year simple moving average with a heat map, and we can see the last bear markets. And if we started to place in a bear market here, we could begin to see how far we are along. But what we can see is that we are 2% below the 4-year simple moving average. So if we go to this recent dot here, the 4-year moving average is 60,726, and Bitcoin's current price is 59,517. So this, in my opinion, is a deep discount area to be buying Bitcoin. Don't second guess that your Bitcoin is safe. Get a security audit through a one-on-one session with me, and join this school community, the Bitcoin Masters, to meet other Bitcoiners, grow your network, and grow your net worth.